Hi, this is Stephen Carr, and I'm here to present a video that I'm hoping will expose the enormity, the immensity, the widespread vastness of how prevalent sex abuse is in the American society. For the most part, I don't think Americans understand this, and so I'm going to attempt to show you. Why spend time on this information? Why should you care? I mean, really, how great of a risk is there that your child was, is being, or will be attacked by a predator? Well, to try to give you a scope of the size of this, let me pose this question to you. If I could give you a pill that would protect your child against the most common form of adolescent cancer, would you buy it? Well, of course you would. Every parent would, especially if the pill only cost $20. What if I could give you a pill that would protect your child against the most common form of sex abuser? Would you buy that? Now here's the question. What if you could only choose one, either the sex abuse prevention pill or the cancer prevention pill? Would there even be a moment of hesitation in deciding? 99% would choose the cancer pill. And that's understandable. Cancer is terrifying. It can be fatal, and nobody wants that disease to befall their child. But that is kind of the point. The facts are 20% of our youth, that's 1 in 5, are sexually abused. More children are victims of molestation than cancer. How many more? Lots more. 81 times more. If you take from birth to the age of 15, 81 times more children will fall victim to sex abuse that will contract cancer. Now when you look at those numbers there, 12 million, so maybe those numbers don't seem that high. And so maybe if I could give you some magic glasses that you put on, and if you walked around, maybe if you could see the children who were sexually abused, if they popped out of the crowd, if maybe they were presented in red, maybe you would start to see a little bit more of how vast and widespread this is. Let's take a look. Some facts. 1 in 4 girls will be sexually assaulted before the age of 14. 1 in 6 boys will be sexually assaulted before the age of 16. That's 20% of our youth population. The result to those children's lives, besides the actual sex abuse, besides the physical violation, well, there's crippled self-esteem and shame that will result in incalculable losses to their happiness and to our society due to poor school performance and dropouts. A likelihood toward alcoholism, drug abuse, and the related crime that surrounds those afflictions. A tendency towards promiscuity, which can result in prostitution, disease, unwanted pregnancies. Now also, sexually abused boys carry a 1.5 to 14 times greater risk for committing suicide than their unabused peers. Their lives can also spiral downward into welfare dependency, incarceration, and utter ruin. So, why should you care? Because all that can be prevented with something almost as simple as taking a pill. So what's the problem then? How is it that so many kids are being abused, and how is it that the average person doesn't know about this? Because although you may be thinking it can't or is not happening to your child, well, that's exactly the same belief shared by the parents of the children who are being abused. And another reason to care? Because outside of you and your child's vigilance, There are no other programs that effectively prevent molestation and rape from happening. None. The pill that I can give you is never before explained insights into the strategies of child predators. And this pill is free. Watch the videos. Sign up for the webinar.